They say Jele don't cry out as the flying bullet just pass in head though. It remains small. My people, he don't read though for inside Osumo. I go bring the video come show you. But the internet don't react as Jele come out, come celebrate Soludo for imposing 1 week lockdown. Say since we be say they want respect Monday sit at home, say may everybody stay at night. They have people for the matter. Come see the reaction of people. I beg I go bring the videos, come show you. May you see when Igbo man they talk say that Islamization is have come to stay in Igboland and nothing can stop it. Things are really happening. My people, I go play you other videos as Fulani Heřdsmán they enter inside one woman farm, go destroy him farm. The woman they cry, say may people come help am oh. No be small thing dey happen. Stay tuned as we bring the videos one after the other. As they watch, they share and follow this page so you can get our update back to back as they happen.
They hear the sound. They hear the sound. Very far. They hear the sound. They hear the sound. So they do. This is why you should not pray for. I see him. Bullet is flying. There's a flying bullet, you see? Are they come? No. Oh, I remember. Flying bullet. They give their hair back. They give them back to back. They hear them. Their bullet don't finish. Now that one we shoot that in don't run. These judges, their bullet go don't finish, they don't run. Foolish people.
In the market, and this market is a government-owned market. You must open the market. If you don't open the market, you are sabotaging the effort of the state. For this sabotage that you people have exhibited today, it seems that some of you still want to move forward. From today till the next week Monday, then if your people are playing or whatever you want to do, you can continue and go and have that Monday. Till next week Monday. Next week Monday, I tell you, we are going to shut this market down. Next week Monday, we are going to do whatever you want. By tomorrow, this market will stay closed as it is today until Sunday next week. I'm not here to make objection. We have the freedom to speak.
That was a good one there from Governor Soludo's representative right there. Since you people want to be on holiday, so it would be nice if you enjoy that holiday, like by the time 3 weeks, by the time at least you have to show him that you are formidable. Now would be the right time to show your formidability. Be resolute. So we now waiting on they tell them that time. Now we don't reach on our own business. Go and lock them down for 1 week. Make we know whether after this week we're not go start business. They support nonsense evil. So now they see that when I go see tire. You are the ones that are giving. Look, I mean also, I'm live in also Ethiopia right now. The whole villages are empty. All the villages around here empty. Go to the market at Forza in Osumo. Go see how you see you people. Anyway, so kudos for that wonderful move. Make body tell on. At least go shake everybody. She join me.
Our people. Ladies, but you can wait to make you carry the cow. He say in this thing don't spoil. He say you carry this cow, enter in farm, spoil in farm. Eh? Una him concerning our people. They mebunde kani. Ebukabewa.
Ndị be anyị ekele m unu udo dịrị unu nke onye chiri ya zero. Ọnụ ọbụla na-asụ nnọọ asị nke onye chiri ya zero. Asị ya gaziere onye ọbụla ndụ ndụ nka nke isi awụ ikpu nka. N'ebe onye ọbụla bụ ọnụ na-asụ nnọọ nọ. Mana o nwere ofu ihe nchọrọ ka m drọpụ ka m gwa ndị be anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Ihe ọ ga-eme anyị na ole anyị amara na ole. How many years did ihe eji lụta agha 1970 agha bere? Igbo ka njukere m unu. Ndị Igbo mmadụ one batagoro na presidency. Mmadụ one bụ ndị Igbo chigoro obodo a bụ Nigeria. Oya dị iche iche, ọtụtụ oya dị iche iche Nigeria na-aya kịta. Echeghị m na ọya na ha ya succeed na ọya ji ha. Eburu ha jee na hospital agwọta ha. Buru ha jee na omenala agwọta ha. Ka ebe ọzọ unu chere na aya agwọta Nigeria. Ọya na ayaba. Ndị be anyị. O wee bụrụ na ndị be anyị bụ ndị kpatara ego si na ha kpatara ego. Kpatacha ego. Obodo ha kpatara ego wee kpara ha uche. Ọ na-abụ onye nyere ego anaghị uche. Ka m gwa unu nke bụ eziokwu, ka m gwa unu hoo ha. Ọnọdụ a ndị be anyị nọ na this country now. Ọ bụ na o nwere onye ọ na-atọ ụtọ, ọ da atọ m ụtọ. Obi adịrọ m mma. Mana ka m gwa unu nke bụ eziokwu, onye ọbụla bụ ọnụ na-asụ nnọọ si na ọchịchị obodo a dị ya mma. Nchọtụ ka m gbuwa okwu a ka o doo onye ọbụla anya. Onye ọbụla bụ ọnụ na-asụ nnọọ bụ onye Igbo na-asọpọtụ this APC of 18. Nkịta gbara nne onye ahụ wee mụta ya. Onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo o sị na ya na-asọpọtụ APC ka ọ chịkwakwa anyị ọzọ. Nkịta gbara nne onye ahụ wee mụta ya. Chekie na ọ bụghị ọbara onye Igbo ka o bu. Ya jụọ nne ya ka o siri mụ ya, ka nne ya gwa ya ka e siri mụ ya, na ọ nwaanyị ma onye mụ nwa. O nwere onye ọbụla na-eku ume bụ onye Igbo ya sị na ọnọdụ anyị nọ taa na ọ dị ya mma n'ahụ. Onwe ha onye ọ bụ ya kunite kwuo. Ọbụnagodi ndị enyere oyi wed ahụ afọ ha bụ onye Igbo. Enyeghị ego nye gị ego, anọkọta adọrọ azọsịa gị afọ. Anapụta gị ụfọdụ. Ụfọdụ anakọrọ ha ncha, ụfọdụ ka esiziri paspọtụ ha. Hence ịbụ onye Igbo, ị nwere to say. Even ma ndị be anyị na-apụta abụọ karakara na ha ya azọ nke azọ nta azụ ime na Nigeria. Ọ kara m onye ọbụla lakpuo obi. Ịchọ ịzọ ihe ọbụla, anyị na-aba anyị bụ Biafra. Anyị azọba ihe anyị ga-azọ. Anyị ma ndị ya achị anyị na Biafra. Anyị ma ndị mere ofu nwa ya achị nwa anyị na Biafra. Anyị ma ndị ya eme anyị mma na Biafra. Anyị ma ndị ọ ya agba anyị nye presidency.
So Islam has come to stay in Igboland. The advice I continue to give to my Igbo brothers that even those that are watching us today, one of the advices I have been giving and I will continue to give is, brothers, we are not Hausa, we are not Yoruba, we are Igbo. I am an Igbo brother like you. Only that I have accepted Islam as my religion. The same thing to any other Igbo man. Don't think that as I am a Muslim now, I am now Hausa, or I am an agent of Hausa, Fulani, working against Biafra. It's a lie. We are Igbos. Any day.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending when this video gets to you. So I just want to address this man statement on TV station. So Mr. Man, and my English is not that good, so please bear with me when you hear me speak. So Mr. Man, with all due respect, you don't come on TV station to come and state out your stupidity. Stating out your stupidity, telling us, like, you do not just state out your stupidity. After stating your stupidity, telling us that Islam has come to stay in Igboland, you don't have any order. Like, you don't have rights. Igboland is for Chukwuka, God of heaven, the creator of the whole universe. That is the God we serve, and that is the God we continue to serve. But you adopting another person's God is none of my business. But why I pick this word is because you said it has come to stay in Igboland. You can actually state it out and say it has come to stay in your family. It has come to stay in your generation. You don't say it has come to stay in Igboland because Igboland is not your belonging. You're an Igbo man doesn't make you owner of Igboland. So when next you're doing this kind of stupid interview, mind what you say. Establish it in your family, in your home. Whoever that wants it can join you. It's none of my business. Don't have any right to come and tell us, to come and state out your stupidity, how you forget about your God, how you dump your own identity and pick someone's own. Because this life you're living right now is not your life. You're living someone's life. As old as you are. You don't know what you have done to yourself. And you come out on social media worldwide to come and state out the stupidity you have done to yourself. And now you're telling us that that doesn't make you an agent. You're already an agent. You are already an agent of devil, agent of darkness. You don't know? Know it now. And I'm going to go ahead on right now. Anything may come, because for your mind now, they will see you as the one of them. To them. And to us. Agent of darkness. Because another God will come out again now, and you will still adopt it. You are not contented with what you have. What advice will you give to your kids? What advice will you give to those ones under you? What advice? You're telling us it has come to stay in Igboland. Come and establish it. Because Igboland right now is now your own. You are the owner. You are the owner. That's your belonging. So that is why you will tell us what to put, what you want to establish on. Establish on your family. That is none of my business. I don't care about wherever you establish it. In your family, in your generation. But saying in Igboland that he has come to stay, you don't have any rights. And you see this mistake that you make today, let it be first and the last. But you've seen how they were clapping for you. They were smiling, they were dancing. You didn't see they dance? They were dancing at your stupidity. We've seen as the way they were looking at you. That's why the Bible said wisdom is profitable to be direct. And you cannot get wisdom from going to school. You can only get it from God. Reverencing God. That's the only way you can get it. It's not about old age. Your old age matters nothing. You come out, open wide mouth, widely. You tell the world how you denied your identity, how you sold your birthright to accept somebody's own, living someone's life. And you're bold enough to come out and say it. You're ashamed, they shame me. I'm ashamed on your behalf. Your forefathers are ashamed. They are crying, they are shedding tears. They are bleeding because of your stupidity. Let me tell you for free.
My people, no be small thing, no. Una don't see am as it dey happen. And I will say more bring a question. The question where I get to ask all these people, you see what dey happen for Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Abia State, and Imo State. The Fulani is here. This one is no longer joke. They are here. And some Igbo, reasonable Igbo people, some Igbos will come outside to tell you that is ESN and IPOB. Very funny. So is ESN and IPOB that make the Ebonyi people to block the road? Is ESN and IPOB the Fulani that is spying people in Ebonyi State? The trailer load of Fulani that they brought to Imo State today, is ESN and IPOB? This is the question I'm asking. Or is it Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto prison that brought them? You see all those people you see on social media that is ranting, that is against Nnamdi Kanu, against anything Biafra, go and cross-check them very well. something has happened to them that make them be against, not that they love Igbo, not that they love whatever, but something has happened to them. Go and investigate them very, very well. They hate the Igbo. They hate Igbo. Because if you love Igbo, why are you not condemning the Fulani using cow to destroy people's farm? Which one you are seeing with your 2 eyes? If you love Igbo, you saw when the cow is, as in you see the cow, when cow is everywhere destroying people's farm, but it was ESN that stopped it. Now the Fulani have returned back. I have not seen any one of you stand up to condemn what is happening in Igboland today. None of you have stand up to condemn it. Never. What you're after is Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, ESN, Nnamdi Kanu is only content you can create. There's no other content you have to create. So if you see those people gathering and talking against Nnamdi Kanu, bear it in mind that they hate Igbo, period. If they truly love Igbo, why are they not condemning the military? When the military go to combat with the people they say that it's in the bush and going, they start buying the villages. They start buying people that is on their own village. They start adopting the youth. Why are you not condemning that act? Why are you people not condemning the military burning people's house? Like now they're showing you videos of the where there's no people living there, people have run. If the military bought their house, and where do you want those people to stay? They should look for another way. They should go and live tenants and abandon their family. That is what happened in Igboland. But many of you are deaf. When they're brainwashing you, you are believing what you don't supposed to believe. But however, let's share this video. Drop your own opinion in comment section. If you have any evidence of what is happening in your area, bring it here. I will bring it up here and show it to the world. This is my work. I have nothing against anybody, but what I'm saying is when you are condemning A, try to condemn B too.